Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Brook Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in insane markets. It is 10:43, July 22nd, 2025. Euro dollar analysis. What the heck is going on? If you remember what we told you that euro dollar itself had to break out above the 116.21, which it did, is now trying to get up through this high. This high has been a little bit tricky. Let me get a little circle around that high right here. This is the important point that it has to get over. Dollar yen doing a little bit of a meltdown with the new government in Japan. Sterling yen down. I mean, we got a lot of stuff going on. Euro yen taking a hit. Now, as we said yesterday, the euro dollar really hasn't rallied in conjunction with the dollar, the yen increase. So that's putting pressure on euro dollar right now. The star of the show really is dollar yen and the crosses like euro yen itself down a lot and sterling yen. Now, if we come on over to US dollar index versus what's happening here. This was the points that we said yesterday. And you can see it's starting to try to come to fruition right now. Most important point in euro dollar is that previous top at 117.21. If we look at the dollar index is falling again due to dollar yen. Dollar yen trading down at 146.46 right now. Sterling yen down pretty large down. It's at 197.54. Had an excellent trade call in the trading room. Went short sterling yen at 198.65. So took some partials off, and right now um, I'm gonna probably put my stop at like 198. The figure, what the heck, I'm always willing to give up some profits for additional gains. So I don't like when it takes me out, and I could have scooped lower. Of course, I'm a human being like anybody else, but that's really the name of the game. Looking to try to increase your profit base, and sometimes you got to give up some of those profits. So as it stands right now, euro dollar. All right, so new high at 117, say 17. Critical price to get through is 117.21. Very, very close. It's knocking on the door. So in order for it to be able to do this, well, dollar yen can't turn around because if it does, it's probably going to push the euro dollar down. But right now, the support point for the euro dollar short term, let me get onto a 4-hour chart. We can get a better support level here on the 4-hour. Um, is going to be 116.60. 116.60. Let me put up a level right here. 116. That's good enough. 116.61. This is the level. Okay, so you could see the consolidation that I'm looking at right here. Okay, it's got to hold that level, or else we could potentially come back down to the 116.21. As I said, dollar yen is very, very strong, is weak. The yen is getting stronger. So euro dollar needs to pick up the pace in order to recover in the crosses. Pay attention to, the US dollar index as well. Make sure you're paying attention. You're seeing this thing starting to really fall, but euro dollar is not really taking off. That means it's all dollar yen. Okay, so that's exactly what it means. Unfortunately, for the euro bulls, they're going to have to be a little bit more patient with it. Trend line, spike breakout here. Now we're riding the trend line breakout here. Now, what happens if we break through 117.20? Well, the next level of the resistance is right here, 117 like 50. As you can see, there's like resistance like all the way with it. It's odd, I mean, it's just not clean breaks. Like this level right here is a resistance point. Of course, we have the right here where we're sitting right here is a resistance. And then, as I said, we got support at 116.60 right down here. So that's what's happening in the euro dollar right now. If you are a bull, be cautious of the break of the top. Okay. But also watch the US dollar index. If that's falling, continuing to fall, then potentially you could take the breakout on the top. All right. So that's what I got going on for you guys in the euro dollar today. In the description, you can get yourself a video course and an ebook on, whether or not a breakout is good, so something you can put in your little library. check out some of the stuff I got in there. It's like a checklist. It's really cool. And I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. Remember, always, always, as short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance to the door.